Excellent. Now, Al, you're going to do what we're saying there, okay? So you physically got to do that with your voice to do with the volume, okay? So hear me here, okay? Medium, firm, loud, and I'm putting a cry into that loud, quiet. But we've got to do what we're saying there, okay? Because every single song that you're ever going to sing is going to have different volumes and lights and shades. Every single song, okay? So I'm going to do it one more time, and then I'm going to let you go and do it, okay? So hear me. Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet. Your turn, Al.
Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet.
That was pretty good. Now we've got to do two things. The number one point with this scale is the volume. I need your quiet. I hardly want to hear you quiet. I don't want to hear it. Okay, you're loud. I want you to make sure that you're crying, you're loud, and tighten your stomach muscles up on loud and firm. Okay, now hear me. Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet. Okay, your turn, Al. Let's try that again.
Medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud.
That was good. That was a lot better. I need loud, though. Loud! A big cry on loud. You got to do loud a little bit louder. You got to smile on loud.
Okay, I just put an arrow in a smiley face there.
Yeah, arrow and smiley face on loud. Okay, let me do this one here, okay? Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet. Your turn.
Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet.
That was better. I still needed a bit loud on louder. Now, we didn't get the note there. You'll hear it on the recording, but I'm not really worried about the notes because we're doing this scale off the chord. When I record it, the scale is going to be called on the chord. You're going to be doing it with the scales and be played. But make sure that we do these jumps. You've done this little jump here already, which is 1, 3, 1, 5, 1. We're just putting one more note in, which is the loud, okay? Now, I haven't got much more in my voice here, Al, because it's pretty high here, but I'm going to do this one, and then you're going to do it after me, okay? And I'm going to let you do the next 3 or 4 by yourself. So hear me. Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet. Your turn, Al. Big smile and loud.
Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet.
Okay, Al, we're going to do that one again. But you're quiet. We've got to make it quiet. It's too loud. Hear me. Hear me. Quiet. Go. Your turn.
Quiet.
That's it. I want it like that. It was too loud before. Okay? So that's where your quiet's got to be. So I'm going to do it again. Quiet. Your turn.
Quiet.
And loud. Loud. Big smile. Loud and cry. Go.
Loud.
That's it. Better make sure you tighten your stomach muscles for that loud. Okay? I'm going to do this whole one again, and then I'm going to let you do the next couple by yourself, and then I'll record this one off for you, okay? I'll do this one. Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet. Your turn, Al.
Medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet.
Okay, that loud.
Too soft on my loud now.
Yeah, and it needed to be high with the note. That's okay. That's okay. Let's do this next one, Al. I'm going to play the piano, and then you're going to do it, okay? So let me play the piano first. Medium, firm, loud. Your turn. Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud to that pattern.
medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet.
Nice. Good. Hear it again. Really quiet and quiet, Al. Your turn.
Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet.
That big smile on loud there, Al, as well too. When you're at home looking in the mirror, maybe if dad or mum can help you out, just watch the raising of your head like this. Because we're going like that. It's looking like you're looking over a fence. Okay, so just watch that a little bit. I want you to keep your posture a bit straighter. When I was younger, I think I might have told you when I was in choir about your age, I used to have to do arias with a book on my head like this. Because I used to do the same thing. I'm not going to do that to you, but that's how I got out of the habit. But you're got a bun on your head, so that's not going to work. You're good. But that's how I used to do arias. Arias are a song, a classical song. So that's what I had to do. But yeah, just watch that a little bit, putting your head up. All right, Al, we're going to do one more, and then I'm going to run this one off for you, okay? So have a listen to the pattern again. Your turn.
Quiet, medium, quiet, firm, quiet, loud, quiet.
All right, I'm going to run this one off. I'm going to revise this one next week. I'm going to make sure that you're doing it correctly next week to do with the notes, okay? Let me just